students, how are you? Now last time we have started chapter 5 Euclid's geometry. Euclid was mathematician. He has given some concept on geometry, and then the concepts which are having the results, proved statements, which are already proved, verified. These are called axioms. Now something we assumed, hear this, postulates, we suppose, but these are correct, then you can say yes, these are called assumptions, these are called, and he has given the name postulates. For example, postulates means you are assuming always. Just for example, if I say, and you will say without any, you will say these two angles are of 90 degree each. If I say these are 90 degree, you will say 90 degree. Even when you will check with the help of protractor, it may be 89 degree, it is 90 degree, difference will be there. But with the help of symbol, you are assuming that these are of both angles are equal, they are equal to each other. So in this way he is saying these are called postulates. So now Euclid has given 5 postulates. So one by one we will discuss 5 postulates. So first postulate, what is saying? A straight line may be drawn from one point to another point. A straight line, this straight line is drawn from one point to another point. Hear this. Another, because this you know very well, straight line, it can be extend in both the direction. Clear this, there will be no problem. Now second, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Clear this I told already, because a terminated line, it can be extend both direction indefinitely. Clear this. So you know very well, but he is saying you can extend, it means you are assuming. Now postulate 3, what is saying? A circle can be drawn with any circle with any radius. A circle can be drawn with any radius. If I am taking 2 cm, open the arc 2 cm, put the compass here, open, take O as a center, open this up to 2 cm and draw. So it means you can draw the circle with the help of radius and center. You say, so 3 cm, then you take 3 cm with center and with radius, you can draw the circle. Clear this? No problem. Then fourth postulates, what is saying? All right angles are equal to one another. And this concept also I told in the starting. All right angles are, if you know very well, this is right angle, this is right angle. So all right angles are equal to one another. Clear this? So I think they are very much easy. Postulates are there. So because these things you have learned already from your lower classes. Now one more, fifth postulate, that is different one, and that is I am discussing here so that you understand carefully. So first you read this, your fifth postulates. Postulate 5. So what is postulate 5? You see what is saying. First you read, if a straight line falling on two straight lines make the interior angles on the same side of it taken together less than 2 right angles, then the two straight lines, if the produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of the angles is less than 2 right angles. So my dear students, what is saying? This postulate 5, you understand these 5 postulates and 7 axioms. At one place it is given in the last of the chapter, in summary, you can read, you can learn from this also. Understand? Now, what is fifth postulate? You understand, my dear students. So, what is saying? If two lines are there, if two lines intersected by a transversal, clear this, where the lines will intersect, clear this. Sometimes from the figure it is clear. Then you will say, sir, they are moving in this direction, then they will intersect in left hand side. Sir, they are moving that side, they will not intersect that. But in mathematical, what result you will say, if you are not having the figure on the board, so what you will see, just you see these two lines are there, one transversal is there. If these two interior angles, their sum is less than 180 degree, it means this angle 1, this angle 2. If angle 1 plus angle 2 less than 180 degree, in which side the sum of these two angles is less than 180 degree, in that side lines will intersect. So my students, if you say this angle, you see the direction, this angle is 80, maybe 80, then 80 plus 80, 160, it is less than 180. So in this direction they will intersect. Or in the other side, you see this angle is more than 90, this angle also more than 90. When you add this sum, this is more than 90, this is also more than 90. When you add this is more than 180 degree. So, more than 180 degree, in that direction, they will not intersect. So, fifth postulate, I think very much clear. If two lines are there, intersected by transversal, then lines will intersect on which side? On that which side, the sum of two interior angles is less than 180, means less than two right angles. Clear this? So, my dear students, so first, you have to read the chapter, all postulates and all axioms. Clear this? So now, just I am taking simple question. What is saying? Exercise 5.2. What is saying? How would you rewrite the Euclid fifth postulate so that it would have to easier to understand? So what is saying? He is saying how you can write the fifth postulates in a different way so that it will be clear to all the points. Clear this? So what is saying? He is saying just you see its answer is 6 point in your summary. Just you see the 6 point in the summary in your book, that is the answer of this first question. Two equivalent versions of Euclid's fifth postulates are. Hear this. Its answer is here 0.6. What is saying? For 0.6 in summary, you see 0.6 in summary. Clear this. I am not writing all this language here. So this is the answer of this your question number 1. Understand? So what is saying? For every line L and for every point P not lying on L, there exists a unique line M passing through P and parallel to L. So what is saying? Two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. So my students, what is saying? If two lines are there, two distinct lines are not parallel to the same line, just I am saying this one here, clear this, two distinct lines. What is saying? Just two different intersecting lines, two distinct intersecting lines. These two intersecting lines, these are two intersecting lines, they are intersecting at point A. These two lines, both are not parallel to the another line. This is saying if two lines are intersecting at a point, and these two lines will not, both are will be parallel to the same line. I think it's very much clear. When lines are intersecting, so only one will be parallel, another will not parallel, because it is intersecting here, it will not be parallel. Clear this? Only he is writing the fifth postulates in a different way. Understand? Now another question, question number 2 also. Does Euclid fifth postulates imply the existence of parallel lines? Explain. So this also answer is yes. This question number 2 answer is yes, because what is saying, if two lines are intersecting by transversal, so what is fifth postulate says, if sum of interior angles is less than 2 right angles, then lines will intersect on that direction. But in this question is saying whether it implies here, check this. So this line, these two lines are parallel. If parallel, so what do you say? If I am saying these two lines are parallel, so angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180 degree. So you see converse of this. If sum of two interior angles is equal to 180 degree, then what you will say? Lines will be parallel. If less than 180 degree, lines will not intersect. If more than 180 degree, lines will not intersect. But if sum of two interior angles is equal to 180 degree, then 100% lines will be parallel. From this fifth postulates, we can get this result. So my dear students, so that he is asking this question, does Euclid's fifth postulates imply the existence of parallel lines? It means he's saying, what is he showing, he is taking the concept of parallel lines. Yes, this fifth postulate taking the concept of parallel lines, because if some interior angle is less than 180 degree, then they will intersect. More than 180 degree, they will not intersect in that direction. If sum of interior angles, sum of co-interior angles, sum of interior angles on the same side of transversal is equal to 180 degree, then you can see these two lines are parallel. Hear this. So this fifth postulate exists this concept of parallels. So my dear students, so you have to learn all axioms, all postulates, and then 5.2 exercise, very simple exercise only. You have theoretical concepts are there, you have to write. Next time we will do 5.1 exercise. Thank you. Have a good day.